Alright, so I've been ordering a lot of parts for my Del Sol. I got seats today. There's some problems with it because the rails are rusty. It came from up north, so you know, with the snow and the salt on the ground, and it gets in their car. So today I'm gonna clean the rails, you know, brush them up and just spray can them for now. I'm gonna get them powder coated later before I put SDK seats back in the Del Sol. But for today I'm just going to clean the rails. I got more parts on the way. This video is going to be like chopped up in like different days, so I might be wearing different shirts and stuff. So yeah, I'm just ordering a lot, like overseas and stuff like that. But tomorrow I should be getting the floor mats, because I bought another floor mat, the OEM passenger side, so it can match with the driver's side. And so I'm gonna be getting those shampooed and cleaned tomorrow, and also the seats. And so tomorrow hopefully I could install the seats and put in the floor mats, so now I have a drivable car again and I don't have to drive it sitting on the floor. But yeah, let's get to it. So here's the seats. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it, but there's rust right here and here where it bolts down to. Alright, so I spent maybe 30 extra minutes from what y'all have seen, and so far I'm right here. Reason why you saw me hit it with like a screwdriver is because it's just caked on, but there's gonna be those rust pits on there. A little bit more work and this one should be done. This is what it's looking like all of them. See how it's just all flaky? Yeah, it's caked on there. See, like right here, it's just caked. This one's not too bad. Yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna spend a couple of hours on finishing these. Like I said, get the seats shampooed and cleaned tomorrow. Back home from getting the seats shampooed and cleaned. You can see them there. There's the worst one is the driver's side, of course. I mean, they are faded, but they're still in pretty good condition. I mean, you have to think from a 95 and it's 2016 right now. Let me go ahead and show you the rails I did yesterday. Alright, here's the rails. I just have them out here sitting in the sun. I actually painted, I didn't finish the whole rails, but here's the rod that goes across in the bottom. Painted that one. And there's no rust, you see. Hold on, I don't know if the camera could pick it up, but there's pits in the metal because of how much rust there was. Yeah, you can see it there. So yeah, but like I said, I'm gonna get these powder coated probably within maybe this year. See, there's pits in that one too, but nonetheless, it's going to look good. And once it's all bolted in, I doubt anyone is ever going to be like, oh my god, there's pits. Nah. So we should be good. Alright, so the rails for the seats have already just been painted, and I'm gonna give them 24 hours before I put the seats back on. But overall, the seats are looking good. They're already fully dried from being shampooed and cleaned. The rails are looking good. I probably took off maybe about 70% of the rust that was on the rails. I had to grind one of the rails down a little bit just on the end because it was so rusty. It was like bacon, you know, it's just falling off, just real crispy and nasty. It said, I'm just trying to take off most of the rust so it doesn't keep rusting and become even worse where like the rails are falling off, breaking off, you know what I'm saying? But so I got 70% off, and the paint should slow down the rust. It's not going to stop it completely. When I put the S2K seats back in here, I'm gonna sandblast them and then paint them. I'm thinking powder coating, but I'm still doing research on that. If you guys have any like ideas or anything, just comment below and just help me out. Alright, so next thing, I'm gonna fix the climate control. I'm gonna fix the computer because they had just dropped the computer or something. I guess they were about to take it and they saw it didn't have a chip in it or anything, so they just left it. But they left the bolts in there, and I'm just gonna bolt it back up. And I'm gonna fix the climate control because they tried taking it out. Alright, so they tried taking out the climate control, and you could tell they use like a flathead screwdriver and try to pry it out. Let me see. Alright, so I got it a little bit loose. What I'm going to do now is just get a heat gun and heat up the vinyl so it doesn't look like someone tried to pry open the climate control. And just watch it because it is hot, and also now the gun is hot, so you don't want to lay it on your carpet or anything. So I'm just going to lay it out here. But yeah, I just heated it up, and then it kind of just went back to its original shape. I just kind of touched it to push it down. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm just going to tighten it up now. And that's it for the climate control. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the ECU. Alright, so I got the climate control in, I got the computer, the ECU correctly bolted up to the body, to the chassis. The last thing for this video is I'm just going to put on the Broadway mirror that they took, and yeah. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have more things coming up on the next episode. I still got parts coming in. I just got some parts that came in just maybe an hour ago. But yeah, I'm just revealing the stuff to y'all that I get slowly as I put it in. But trust me, I have a lot coming on the way. And we're not gonna stop building. Even though they took my car, we're not gonna stop.